हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं बुशरा खानम और आप देख रहे हैं बिग लॉ। आज का हमारा पेपर है एलएलबी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, बी एलएलबी फिफ्थ सेमेस्टर, एग्जामिनेशन 24-25, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लॉ ऑफ इंडिया फर्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which article of Indian Constitution provides right to freedom of speech and expression? Answer B. And second, Article 17 of Indian Constitution deals with answer B. And third, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court has recognized transgender person to be persons of third gender? Answer A. Question 4. In which of the following case it was held that right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution does not include right to die? Answer B. And 5. To whom is the Council of Ministers collectively responsible? Answer B. And 6. Which of the following amendment of Constitution of India is related with reservation for EWS in general category? Answer D. And 7. In which part of the Constitution of India we find the provisions relating to citizenship? Answer B. And 8. Under which one of the following article of our Constitution an accused person has been guaranteed the right to be informed of the nature and cause of accusation? Answer A. And 9. The equal protection of law in Article 14 has been taken from? Answer B. And 10. According to Article 5 of the Constitution of India, who shall be a citizens of India? Answer A. And 11. From which date the fundamental rights given in the Constitution of India 1850 came into force? Answer B. 26 January 1950. 12. In which article of the Constitution of India given the provisions of production from export factor law? Answer A. And 13. Who propounded the principle of rule of law? Answer D. And 14. Restrictions on the right to move freely throughout the territory of India and to reside and settle in any part of territory of India can be imposed on which of the following grounds? Answer A. And 15. According to Indian Constitution which is not included in Parliament? Answer B. And 16. The Indian Constitution was by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. D. By whom Indian Constitution was? Answer B. And 18. Which of the following is a feature of Indian Constitution? Answer B. Independent judiciary. 19. In re Barueri and exchange of enclaves, the Supreme Court held that? Answer C. And 20. In which case preamble is said to be that key of the Constitution? Answer A. And 21. According to Constitution India that is Bharat shall be? Answer A. And 22. The idea of preamble has borrowed? Answer C. 23. The concept of equal justice and free legal aid is given in which article of Indian Constitution? Answer D. And 24. Fundamental duties of parents to provide primary education to every child between the age of 6 to 14 years is given under which article of Indian Constitution? Answer D. 25. Article 20 subclause 2 of Indian Constitution provides? Answer B. And 26. Which of the following is not a fundamental rights? Answer C. Right to property. 27. Article 21A was added in Indian Constitution by which amendment act? Answer A. And 28. Right to privacy is a fundamental right under which article? Answer C. And 29. Which is the aim of directive principle of state policy in the Constitution? Answer A. 30. Procedure for impeachment of the President is given under which article of the Indian Constitution? Answer B. Question 31. Which of the following qualification is not required to be elected as the President of India? Answer D. And 32. Governor's power to issue ordinance is given in which article of Indian Constitution? Answer B. And 33. Definitions of state is given in which article of Indian Constitution? Answer C. Article 12. 34. Uniform Civil Code is provided under which article of the Constitution of India? Answer C. And 35. Which article of the Constitution protects the right to minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice? Answer C. And 36. The President of India has the power of pardon under which article of the Constitution? Answer B. And 37. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Answer D. 38. Article 15 of the Constitution provides to prevent the state from discriminating against any citizen on ground of? Answer C. And 39. Which of the following articles describe Indian that is Bharat shall be a union of states? Answer A. 40. Fundamental duties are provided under which article of the Constitution? Answer C. And 41. The power of judiciary review in India is possessed by? Answer C. Question 42. When the office of both the President and Vice President of India are vacant, who will discharge their functions? Answer C. Chief Justice of India. And 43. Which day is observed as Legal Service Day? Answer A. And 44. Under which article of Constitution Parliament can create a new state? Answer C. 45. Which one of the following fundamental rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer D. 46. Right of mandamus can be issued again? Answer C. And 47. Who does not have the right to vote in the election of the President of India? Answer D. 48. The President of India tenders his resignation to? Answer C. And 49. The Indian Constitution is dedicated to? Answer D. 50. The word secular used in the preamble of the Constitution of India means? Answer A. And 51. According to Supreme Court decision, is S.R. Mumbai versus Union of India the Constitution of India? Is? Answer A. And 52. Carry forward rule was held to be ultra vires in the case of? Answer A. And 53. Under Indian Constitution, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture is? Answer B. 54. How many types of right can be Supreme Court issue for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Answer C. 55. Rajya Sabha can withhold money bill for a period of? Answer A. 56. Which one of the following is directive principle of state policy? Answer D. 57. In educational institutions, reservation of seats in favor of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in government by? Answer A. Question 58. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India 2017 was decided by? Answer A. 59. The principle of collective responsibility has been incorporated in? Answer C. 60. Which one of the following is not included in Article 21 of the Constitution of India? Answer A. 61. In which case the Supreme Court has been preference to constitutional morality over social morality? Answer D. 62. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court has remarked that husband is not the master of his wife? Answer A. 63. Doctrine of prospective overruling was laid down by the Supreme Court in which of following cases? Answer C. And 64. The President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of? Answer C. 65. The preamble to the Constitution of India proclaims to establish a? Answer D. And 66. Disputes between states in India come to the Supreme Court under? Answer B. And 67. The right to freedom of religion guaranteed in Article 25 of the Constitution of India is subject to which of the following? Answer C. 68. A citizen of India who is the opinion of the President is a distinguished jurist can be appointed as a judge of the. Answer B. 69. Which of the following is considered as the Supreme Court at power? Answer D. 70. Right to work in the Constitution can be traced in. Answer B. 71. State executive power is visited with. Answer D. 72. The Constitution was finally signed by the members of the Constituent Assembly on. Answer A. 73. Which one of the following is not a silent feature of the Constitution of India? Answer C. And 74. The directive principle of state policy in the Constitution of India have been taken from which of the following? Answer A. And 75. Though the directive principle of state policy contained in the Constitution are not enforceable by any court, yet they are. Answer D. ओनली 50 रुपीज़ में आप लोग मुझसे कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज करके इसका PDF भी ले सकते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन पेपर सभी LLB के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, BA LLB के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा। ऐसे और पेपर सीखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।